How to find your favorite videos on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your favorite videos on TikTok. First thing gonna do is go to your TikTok application on your phone. Now go to your profile and you see that option that says edit profile. You're gonna tap at that thing beside edit profile and tap on all favorite, and this is my favorite videos. So this is your favorite videos, and you can add more favorite videos, and also you can create a new collection. And this is our video. Hope it was helpful, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.